Kazuo Miyamoto did one thing wrong. He wasn't certain he could trust us. He was afraid that he would be made the victim of prejudice, as Mr. Hooks indeed is urging you to do. And there is reason in his uncertainty. Why? Well, we sent him and his wife and thousands of Americans to concentration camps. They lost their homes, their belongings, everything. Should we now be unforgiving of his mistrust? Now, our learned prosecutor would have you do your duty as Americans, as proud Americans. And, of course, you must. And if you do, Kazuo Miyamoto has nothing to fear, because this great country is supposed to be founded on a set of principles of fairness, of equality, and justice. And if you are true to these principles, you will only convict a man for what he's done and not for who he is. I'm an old man. I don't walk so well anymore. One of my eyes is close to useless. My life is drawing to a close. Why do I say this? I say this because it means that I ponder matters in the light of death in a way that most of you do not. And I feel like a traveler descended from Mars, astounded by what I see here. The same human frailty passed on from generation to generation. We hate one another. We are the victims of irrational fears of prejudice. You might think that this is a small trial in a small place. Well, it isn't. Every once in a while, somewhere in the world, humanity goes on trial, and integrity, and decency. Every once in a while, ordinary people, just like you, ladies and gentlemen,